Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to get music on TouchTunes. Now if you want to get your music features on TouchTunes, which is a digital jukebox platform in bars and restaurants, you just need to go through a music distribution service that partners with TouchTunes, and here is how you can do it. So you just need to watch this video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the TouchTunes app. So if you have not installed the TouchTunes app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device, and after that you just need to open the TouchTunes. So the thing is that TouchTunes does not accept direct submission from artists. Instead they can work with the trusted music distribution partners. So you just need to install another app like DistroKid, the Arcade, FUGA and all of it. So this service can help you to submit your music to the TouchTunes, and you may also get various factors like popularity and licensing consideration and all of it. So when uploading your music to the chosen aggregator, look for an option which says optional in the TouchTunes distribution. So DistroKid allow you to put specifically for TouchTunes, so you may simply click on it, and after opting it, your music will undergo a curation process by the TouchTunes, and they will need to evaluate on the industry research and their specific needs, and you just need to see if your music had been added to TouchTunes. So use the TouchTunes app to check for the tracks on the jukebox, and keep in mind that it may be available or not may be available according to the location. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. That's how you can get your music on TouchTunes. Thank you.